Hi friends, today we are going to talk about binary search tree. Uh, so there are sometimes this question comes in the interviews where they ask that we have to find out the left side view and or right side view of a binary search tree. So for example, if you are standing on the left side here and if you are looking at the binary search tree, then what like how you will see that binary search tree from a root to the leaf. So for example, let me just draw a line here. So for example, you are standing here and you are looking on the uh, you are looking to the binary search tree from the left side. So you will see first like 25 here, which is the root node. Then you will see 20 here. Then you will see 10 here. And at the last, you will see 5 here. So these are the nodes that will be visible for you when you are standing on the left side. So let's just write down here. So left. So 25 here, then 20, then 10, and then 5. So now, instead of if you are standing on the right side instead of the left side, then how you will see the binary search tree. So if you are standing on the other side of the tree, then you will see first 20, then you will see 36, then you will see 40, and you will see 48. So from root to leaf, you will see 25, 36, 40, and 48 when you are standing on the right side. So we have to find out, how we can solve this problem of how the view will look like from either left or from the right side. So one easy way here we can use is level order traversing or uh, breadth first search. So what we can do is we will take a queue here and we will keep adding the nodes. For example, if for example for the left side view, let's say we have a queue. So first we will add 25 here. In the queue, and then when we are adding the next level elements, we will always start from the right side of the tree. So then when we take when we are like processing a node in the level order traversing, so we are processing a level 0 here, right? 25 is on the level 0. So we will like pull this out of the queue, and then we will put the 36 and 20 because we want the right side view. So we will first put the right side node always onto the queue. So 36 will go first and then 20 will go. So we are done with level 0 and we are done with this level 1. Now we are on the level 2. So again, when we are like processing level 2, then we will first like pull 36, and then we will again put the right like elements from right side onto the queue. So first the queue will have 40, then it will have 30, then 22 and 10. So let me just write down here. So 40, 30, 22 and 10. So we are done with the top three levels already now, right? So this is level 0, level 1 and level 2 we are done, and now we are at the last level. So again we will start from the right side. So we will put 48 first, then we will put 38, then 28, 12 and 5. So one thing you will notice here is whenever let me just change the color quickly. So when we are pulling a node from the queue, you will always get the right node actually first. For example, first you will get 25, which is for this level. Then next level you will get 36 when you are polling first. Then next level you will get 40, and next level you will get 48. So it will give you a right side view. So similarly, if you want left side view, when you are adding elements or nodes into the queue, you will have to first add the left side elements. So you will add first 25. When you want to find out left side view, you will first add 25, then you into the queue, then you will add 20, 36, then you will add 10, 22, 30, 40, and then you will add 5, 12, 28, 38, 48. So when you are polling elements, you will always get the left side view from that. So always one thing to remember is whenever question is asked for like a left side view or right side view, the easiest way is to use the breadth first search or level order traversal, and as I shown here, keep the nodes into the queue, and when you are polling the queue on each level, then you will always get the left side nodes if you are looking for left side view, or right side nodes if you are like looking for right side view, because that is the order we have followed when we are putting the nodes into the queue. So hope that makes sense. I will sometime share the code into the GitHub, but I just wanted to explain the logic of how we can solve this easily, actually the left side view and right side view of binary search tree. Thank you for watching.